Hello, Scratch Kitchen. How are you guys doing? How are you holding up? Like I said in Sunday's video, you will be seeing a video on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday until we figure out what the hell is going on with this apartment complex. It got auctioned off, I think, last month or May. It was one of them. But yeah, we still gotta find out who the owners are and what they're gonna do with rent. So this video is going to be Homemaker's Essentials. Binders. Being able to put your stuff somewhere that you can have it right at hand. This actually is the 1940s frugal habits to try. Yeah, it's got a really nice list of them. I have a daily thing here. It's kind of nice to go through. Kind of reminds you of things you need to do. And oh yeah, downsizing a recipe. And I have a your basic rice making thing in a little page protector. Because I forget pretty much everything. I get reliant on my Instapot, and that rice doesn't work that well. This is a metric to conventional chart. Yeah, metric conversion chart. My brain's like gone. Imperial and metric. So this is easy to have. All I gotta do is grab this little binder, and I know I got that. Now I got another one I just started. Recipes to try. I have several in here I want to try. I mean, quite a few of them. Actually, it's egg bites. I have done this. It's really, really good. It's basically the egg bites. Before you go pay $5 or $6, $7 for an egg bite at Starbucks, get your Instapot out or get a frying pan out and just make an omelet. Seriously. You probably got eggs, cheese, and whatever veggies you want to put in it, and make it yourself. Save your money, because that is all these egg bites are. Which are just a fancy presentation to an omelet. Alright, now I have some other ones that I'm going to try. Actually, the first two I already did try, and I'm going to do with you guys. This cream cheese pasta. Oh, hello, that was really, really good. Now, here's the deal. I had some recipes that I did not put in there, and I should have. And this is what happened to them when I found them. Yeah, I had printed one side came out beautifully, the other side not so much. Because I forgot where they were because I did not put them in my binder. So I ended up printing over it. That is why having a binder or a folder, whatever you can do right now, is a good idea. You can pick these up. They are Amazon Basic binder. They're pretty good. I like them. They work. Alright guys, that is that. I will see you Thursday.